sunflower oil. This is the beeswax. Your shea butter. Bubblegum. Boysenberry. The first thing we're gonna do is get our tray ready. Here's our spoon and our measuring cup. Here's our tube. Let's put it in our container. Grab your sunflower oil and your measuring cup. 5 milliliters of sunflower oil. Grab it very careful. That sunflower oil smells really good. Now we're gonna get the shea butter ready. Grab your beeswax. We're gonna add 20 beads. Let's go to the microwave to heat this up. To use a microwave, you need an adult. Now we'll just wait. Oh, it's done. After 30 seconds in the microwave, you can add your favorite flavor. I have to add 5 drops. I love bubblegum. Now let's just pour it in our tube. Let your lip balm cool down. Your lip balm should be ready. I love bubblegum. I hope you enjoyed the show. Subscribe today. See you soon.